Hello beauties and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐂𝐄𝐁𝐎𝐿 and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful emerald look by using the Natasha Denona mini golden palette. So let's get started. You can see how I've done my face in this video. So for the emerald eyes, I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Natasha Denona. I have been waiting for so long to try this. I fell in love with it when I saw it. And I'm so happy that I bought it. And I'm going to use on my crease this beautiful color called 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐂𝐄𝐁𝐎𝐿, and I'm going to use this brush from Misa with number M09. I'm taking a little bit of product and I'm going on my crease. I didn't use any eyeshadow base, so I'm so curious how this eyeshadow will apply. Oh my! This is so beautiful. I just love Natasha Denona's product. They give a natural look. I'm going to blend everything out and I'm adding a little bit of product underneath my eyes, blending everything out. You can see the difference. I think this is so natural. And now I'm going with this color called dark sepia. But I'm going only on my outer corner and I'm apply it so slowly and careful. Just a little bit of touch of dark sepia. And I'm adding what is left on the brush on my underneath eye area. And now on the outer corners I'm going with this color called 𝐵𝐻𝐻. And I'm blending everything in on my crease line, and then I'm going to blend everything out. And now with my fingertips I'm going to add this beautiful color called 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐿. Looks like this. And I'm going to add it on my center of my eyelid by tapping, and with my clean fingertip I'm going to blend everything out. Oh my, this is so beautiful. I think I'm falling in love with this beautiful color. And now with this beautiful pencil from Trish MC Evoy 51, the corner brush, I will add this color called 𝐷𝑜r. And I'm going to apply it on my inner corners. And I'm going to blend everything out. And now with the blending brush, I'm gonna blend everything. And now I'm going to use the eyeliner gel from 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐿 with number 78. And I'm taking an amount with this brow line pencil 322 from Zoeva. And I'm going to tap like this. And I'm going to create a line. I don't want anything precise. And with the Misa brush M05 I'm going to blend the eyeliner gel. And I'm going with 𝐵𝐻𝐻 color and I'm going to blend again the eyeliner gel. And now I'm going to use the 𝐈𝐍𝐿 Kohl pencil in color 05, and I'm going to add this beautiful beige color on my waterline. And with the same Zoeva brow line brush, I'm going on my underneath lash line. I'm not adding any product, just what was left And now with Misa brush, I'm going to blend everything out. And now I'm adding an amount of the Bia color, and I'm blending everything out. And now I'm using the Misa M09 blending brush to blend everything out. I don't want any harsh line. The time for the lashes has come, so I'm going to use these 3 products. The first one is the lash curler from 𝐼𝐍𝐂𝐂𝐂. The second one is a mascara from 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐂𝐂𝐂. It is called Long and Curly Mascara. And the third one is a mascara waterproof by Too Faced called Better Than Sex. So first I'm going with the lash curler. And now I'm going to add the Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to fill the lashes from the bottom. And I'm going to let this dry. So I'm taking care of my other eye until my lashes are dry. And now I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. This is a tip when you want to create a full volume lashes. You have to let them dry. You have to add first a layer, let them dry, and then apply again the second layer of mascara. And now I'm going to add the 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐂𝐂𝐂 mascara on my bottom lashes. I love this wand because you can apply it very easy and you don't get messy at all. And now for my lips, I'm going to use these 2 products from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a lip liner and it is called Lip Cheat, and the shade is Love Trap. And I don't know the name of this beautiful creamy lipstick because I just received it, but it is so beautiful. So first I'm going to contour my lips, and I love to reshape my lips by making a bigger contour. And now I'm going to add this beautiful creamy lipstick. It smells so good. I love using my fingertips because the products will warm and they will apply so easily and so natural. So feel free to use your fingertips. They are much better than pencils. Just be careful to blend very well your lips contour. Otherwise, it will look a little bit weird. The next step is finishing the face, and I'm going to use these 3 products. The first one is from Charlotte Tilbury and it is called Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. And the shadow is medium to dark. The second one is this beautiful blush from Hourglass. And the third one is this gorgeous palette from Pat McGrath, and it is called Sublime Skin Highlighting 3O Palette, and it looks like this. First I'm going to erase the powder. The powder helps to create a beautiful contour. I'm going to contour my face with this shade, and for this I'm going to use the Morphe E48 brush. I'm going to add a generous amount of product and I'm going to create that beautiful contour. Now with the Morphe M5 𝐸. I'm going to add this beautiful highlighter on my highest point of the cheeks. And now with the same Morphe brush E48, I'm going to add this blush from Hourglass. And now I'm going to set everything with Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is the final look. I hope you like it. If you have questions about this makeup, or if you want me to ask anything about beauty, you can send me your messages here or on my Facebook page, 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐂𝐄𝐁 Makeup Artist, or you can find me on Instagram, 𝐈𝐍𝐒𝐂𝐄𝐁. If you want to check my website, you can find me on 𝐿𝐸𝐶.ro. If you want to know more information about the products that I've used, you can find all the details on the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time, beauty lovers. Bye bye!